In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to enable sleeping tabs inside your Microsoft Edge browser, whether you are on Windows or Mac. To improve memory and CPU utilization of the Microsoft Edge browser, sleeping tabs are a new feature. Sleeping tabs put background tabs to sleep after 2 hours of inactivity to free up resources for active tabs, new tabs, and other applications on your device. To enable sleeping tabs on your Microsoft Edge browser, open the browser and tap on the three-dot icon at the top left corner. Then navigate to Settings. Click on System and Performance. Now, on the right side, you will find Save Resources with Sleeping Tabs. Toggle the switch next to it. If you want, you can also change the amount of time before a tab goes to sleep. Please note that to do that, you need to disable Efficiency Mode. To do that, just toggle off next to Efficiency Mode. Now, to change the amount of time, select the drop-down menu next to Put the inactive tabs to sleep after the specified amount of time. You will see various options there. Select the one that you find suitable. Lastly, sleeping tabs appear as faded in the Edge browser bar. If you don't like the faded effect, then you can disable that as well. Inside your Edge browser, tap on the three dots icon at the top left corner. Then navigate to Settings. Click on System and Performance. Now, on the right side, you will find Fade Sleeping Tabs. Toggle the switch next to it. That's it! Your sleeping tabs won't appear faded anymore. Hopefully, this video helps you in enabling sleeping tabs and customize them further on your Microsoft Edge browser. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and check out one of these videos curated just for you.